Creating subcategories for your expenses is easy. Click the green New Expense button. Add a vendor, a detailed description, and the grand total. Click on Add Category to scroll through available options. The main options are categories that you can use at tax time, like advertising, rent, supplies, and travel. But if you want to add something more specific, you can write it in at the top and select the option to create it as a subcategory. Then, file it under the main category. Click Save. And it's done.